really need to label the stuff in your fridge?
As with all things organizing, it really depends on if it makes sense for you or not. I'm going to show you how I decide what we label versus what we don't and my favorite ways to label. I'm Allison, a professional organizer, and I've been sharing 24 easy and attainable organizing ideas to get you organized this year. Let's start with leftovers. For us, we don't tend to label our leftovers. We don't tend to make a crazy amount of stuff, and we tend to eat them pretty quickly for lunch the next day, so we don't have a lot sitting around. For me, that just doesn't make sense. But take these two sauces, for example. One is Big Mac sauce and one is spicy mayo. It's a little hard to tell the difference. So for this, I would label. There are 3 ways that I like to label. First is these dissolvable labels. You just peel them off. You can stick them right on your jar, use a Sharpie, and you can just write directly on it. These will wash off under running water for about 30 seconds. They will also come off if you forget to take the label off and put them in the dishwasher. Second way is masking tape, painter's tape, and a Sharpie. Third way is with a paint pen. Make sure you get a water-based paint pen. I like this one because you don't need a secondary item. You can just write directly on the jar. Which of these would work best for you? I also label certain parts of my fridge just to keep things organized. Let me know what makes sense to label in your fridge and follow along to keep getting organized with me.